Hey developers, it's Steve here. Let's dive into something that can truly transform your workflow, trunk-based development combined with CI/CD. So, what exactly is trunk-based development? Simply put, it's a version control strategy where developers integrate small, frequent updates into a single branch known as the trunk or main branch. This approach contrasts with feature branching, where long-lived branches can lead to complex merges and integration nightmares. Now, why should you care about trunk-based development, especially when using CI/CD? First off, it accelerates the integration process. When you're committing changes multiple times a day, the chances of encountering integration conflicts drastically reduce. This means less firefighting and more coding, music to any developer's ears. Let's talk about continuous integration. With trunk-based development, every commit triggers an automated build and test process. CI tools like Jenkins, CircleCI, or GitHub Actions catch issues early, making them easier and cheaper to fix. Your team gets immediate feedback, ensuring that the codebase stays in a deployable state at all times. Now, onto continuous deployment. When your code is always in a ready-to-deploy state, shipping features becomes a breeze. You can push updates to production several times a day with confidence, knowing that your tests have already vetted the changes. This not only improves your team's agility, but also enhances your product's reliability and user satisfaction. One of the hidden gems of trunk-based development is that it fosters a culture of collaboration. Since everyone works on the same branch, communication naturally improves. You'll find that code reviews become more frequent and less burdensome, leading to higher code quality overall. In short, combining trunk-based development with CI/CD practices is like having a supercharged engine for your development process. It keeps your code base clean, your deployment pipeline smooth, and your team happier. So give it a shot. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for tuning in, developers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.